Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily manage power on behavior on your CHiQ L32. So first go over to all settings. Now scroll down until you guys see the system. Here you need to go over to power and energy and go to power on behavior. Here you guys can either check for the Google TV home screen or the last used input. So when the TV turns on, it will basically return to the last used input, or when the TV turns on, it will return to the Google TV home. I recommend using the first one. I don't know about you guys, but some things about this is special. So that'd be it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then please leave a comment, like, and subscription. Bye.